Good evening. This is a script prepared by us, my whole family. The main motive is to show that how the olden times it was and to just regenerate it and show it to you all. So we have to avoid using plastics and all. So we try to use eco-friendly things like mud, stones, bricks and wood. So it took us mostly like 1 week, and it's all about dedication and patience and to show your artistic talent. So it took like nearly 7 to 8 people to make this, and we do it every year to show us actual Christmas culture and it's open on 24th December, and we work from 6th December and to try to show it as beautiful as it looks. Thank you.